Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I've got something very interesting to show you all. So usually a lot of people use multiple phones, right? And different phones come with different type of charging ports. We've got micro USB, Type-C and Lightning type ports on Apple devices. And it can be quite difficult and annoying to maintain 3 different cables or carry these many cables while traveling. Well, don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. On my desk, I have a special 3-in-1 universal charging cable from SoundOne. Yep, you heard me right. It's got 3 different type of connectors attached to a single USB cable. So this single cable can charge almost any type of smartphone. Like how cool is that? It's a 3-in-1 universal charging cable from SoundOne and supports a max current of 2.4 amps. As you can see over here, it says that this single USB cable supports all Type-C phones, iPhones as well as Android phones with the regular micro USB type port. Okay, let's see what else is written on the box packing. We've got the SoundOne branding on all the sides and a picture of the cable over here. Looks like there's nothing much written on the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank SoundOne for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. So here it is, the SoundOne's universal 3-in-1 charging cable comes nicely packed on a tray. And whoa, it's got some nice bright colors on the cable. Let me just take it out. There we go. So this is how the 3-in-1 charging cable looks like. It's a high quality cable and has a standard cable length of around 1.2 meters. On one end of the cable you've got the regular USB connector followed by a super durable nylon braided tangle free cable. The quality looks very nice. The company says that it's got copper core on the inside and with rugged construction techniques and materials used on the outside, it makes this cable almost 5 times stronger than the regular ones. So this cable runs down to this connecting point which splits into 3 different type of connectors and all of them have different colors to distinguish themselves. Let me just give you a closer look at them and show you. So as I've told you, it's got 3 different connectors. The first one is your regular micro USB type B connector and comes in red color. Next up on the line is Lightning type connector for Apple devices. It's in black color. And finally you've got the Type-C connector. This cable is in blue. I have to say the quality of this cable is pretty good and it offers more than 4000 plus bends of lifespan. Okay, now it's time to put this cable to a test. Let's quickly connect some phones and see how it performs. We'll be connecting 3 different phones at a time and see if it can charge all of them simultaneously. So I'll just bring my phones and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've bought 3 different phones with different type of charging ports. And now what we're going to do is connect the cable to this power bank and see if this 3-in-1 cable can charge all of them simultaneously. And along with that, we'll also test if this cable can also support fast charging. Okay, so first let's connect my Vivo V15 Pro. It's got a regular micro USB Type B port. And as you can see, the cable has successfully started charging the phone. Now next up, let's connect my iPhone with this Lightning type cable. There you go, even this one has started charging. So right now we are charging 2 smartphones using a single USB cable. Now let's connect the third final phone and see. This is my Galaxy S9 Plus with a Type-C port. So there you go, the phone has started charging. But what's this? Oh, it says that the cable doesn't support fast charging, so it's slow charging right now. And this confirms that the cable is not suitable for fast charging. You can only use it for normal charging. But the awesome thing is, using a single cable and a single port on a power bank, I'm able to charge up to 3 different type of smartphones simultaneously. Like how cool is that? It's a super useful accessory for travelers. If you're going out on a trip and have a bunch of phones with you, then there's no need to carry separate cables for separate smartphones. This single 3-in-1 universal cable will do the job for you. I was pretty impressed by this product. But on my testing, I found out that this cable doesn't support data transfer, so you can't use it for copying files. It's only made for charging purpose. Rest everything else was fine. So that was my video on this awesome 3-in-1 universal charging cable from SoundOne. The build quality is nice, it's strong and durable, and is great for charging your devices whether in your car, office, or even while traveling. If only this cable had supported fast charging and data transfer, this would have been the ultimate universal USB cable. I hope the company could make a new model soon with these added features. That would be great. So talking about the price, this 3-in-1 cable costs around 549 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.